Hello, good morning, guys. We are going to Chiang Mai Immigration. Today is 19th of April 2021. So we're going there to get a certificate of 90 days. Alam niyo mga kababayan, mga kaibigan, dito kahit na mayroon kang work permit o permanent resident visa, ay kukuha ka ng 90 days. Every 90 days ay pupunta ka sa immigration upang kumuha ng certificate. Kung hindi ka makakuha on time, ay magbabayad ka ng 2,000 baht. So today, we're going there and para makasunod tayo sa tinatawag nilang batas sa mga non-immigrant visa o kaya mga nagtatrabaho. So ngayon po ay, ang oras ay 9:25 to be exact. So titingnan natin kung how many minutes tayo darating doon. At kasama po natin si Rainbow. Yan po si Rainbow. Ito po si Rainbow. Ang pangalan niya ay Rainbow. R-E-N-B-O. Rainbow. So pupunta tayo doon sa immigration. So let's check how many kilometers and how many minutes to reach the place. Drive through lang. We're heading now to Chiang Mai Immigration to get the 90 days certificate today. So God bless us. May God will bless me as I'm going to drive Rainbow to reach the place and until I get home safe and sound. Thank you, and God bless everyone. We go there. We'll check how many minutes, how many kilometers will be consumed. All right. Ito na, dumating na po tayo sa drive-thru. So let's check kung marami po ang kumukuha ng 90 days. We'll see. So, ito po. Ito po tayo papasok drive-thru. Ang hirap po mag-vlog na walang hawakan. So ito po. Marami pong maraming nakastambay. Maraming nakatiyo sa sasakyan. Kasi Monday ngayon, so maraming kumukuha ng 90 days sa araw na ito ng Monday. So there are so many non-immigrant people who are here right now in this place, Chiang Mai, who are now queuing to appear for 90 days. So yan po ang queue kasi drive-thru. So hindi po natin yan, ang dami-dami po. So let's check kung hanggang anong oras pwede doon. Drive-thru ito. Yan ang mga naghihintay na iba. Marami po nakapark dyan. Sana hindi tayo matagal. papasok po tayo doon. So ayan po mga tao na naghihintay magkuha ng visa, extension visa or any kind of visas, mga foreigners, locals, and from other countries in the world, so to speak. So yan po, meron po maraming sumisingit kasi yan, inuuna nila mga kaibigan ang mga monk. Kahit wala naman sasakyan, pwede pala pag monk. Pero kaming mga foreigners, pag walang sasakyan, hindi pwede mag-drive through. Yun, may nakakayo pa. Ano kaya, bakit sila pinapayagan na ganun? So we don't know what's happening here right now. So I'm just showing you the actual happenings when we get our 90 days, so to speak. 90 days appearance. Na mahirap po yan. Minsan mahirap, minsan okay lang. So yan, nakikita nyo, marami pong standby. So ayan na ang immigration officer, kinuha na yung passport at tinikan. At sana mabilis. So I don't know how many minutes yung mga naghihintay sa likod. Ayan, natin alam. Kaya malapit nang matapos. Okay. Guys, thank you. Thank God we arrived safe and sound. So we're here now. So it's almost 40 minutes round trip going there and back. So natagalan lang kasi dumaan pa ako.